Hello and welcome to my channel, English with Ryan. Are you looking for a new way to improve your English skills? Today, I'm going to introduce a powerful technique called shadowing. Shadowing is a great way to improve your speaking and your listening in English. Today, I'll explain shadowing and give you 3 examples that you can use to take your English to the next level. Even if you already know what shadowing is, I promise that these 3 examples will help you. Are you ready? Let's go. So what is shadowing? Shadowing is a technique where you listen to a high-quality audio or watch a video of a native English speaker and repeat exactly what they say as they say it. You want to copy their pronunciation, intonation, and rhythm. The goal is to sound as natural and as fluent as possible, just like a native English speaker. Shadowing is a really powerful technique because it helps you to develop the same natural pace and sound that native English speakers use. Now, shadowing isn't some magic tool to learn English in a week. You still have to work hard to learn English. But shadowing does help you understand an important part of speech, sometimes referred to as chunks. Chunks are like small groups of words that our brains memorize and we can recall quickly when we need them. By repeating what you hear, you're practicing your pronunciation, intonation, and fluency, and you're also improving your ability to understand native speakers. Now, let's start the fun part of this lesson. I'm going to give you 3 examples you can use to practice shadowing. The first example, I'm going to do for you, so you can see how shadowing works. Then, I'm going to give you 2 more examples you can use to practice on your own. I will put the transcript for all these examples in the description below, and the transcript will also be on the screen.
Here we go. I'm going to play the complete audio for this example once. Then I'm going to practice it in smaller pieces so you can see how shadowing actually works.
I just bought this new microphone, but when I went to pay, my credit card was declined. I couldn't believe it. Fortunately, I was able to pay another way. Has this ever happened to you?
That was pretty fast. I'm going to practice shadowing now and repeat after each small section of the audio.
I just bought this new microphone,
I just bought this new microphone,
but when I went to pay, my credit card was declined.
my credit card was declined. That was a little different than the audio. I'm going to try that part again.
But when I went to pay, my credit card was declined.
My credit card was declined. That was better.
I couldn't believe it.
I couldn't believe it.
Fortunately, I was able to pay another way.
Fortunately, I was able to pay another way.
Has this ever happened to you?
Has this ever happened to you?
As you can see, shadowing is a simple yet effective way to improve your English skills. By repeating what the speaker says, you're practicing your pronunciation, intonation, and fluency, and you're also improving your ability to understand native English speakers. Now it's your turn. I am going to give you 2 more examples here that you can use to practice shadowing. Remember that the transcript will be in the description of this video as well as on the screen.
Hey, I'm so glad it's Friday. I've had a long week, and I'm looking forward to the weekend. I'm planning to meet up with some friends tonight and grab dinner at a new restaurant that just opened up downtown. Would you want to join us?
Okay, so I encourage you to pause the video, go back, and practice the example in smaller pieces, just like I showed you. Are you ready for the next example?
I'm running late this morning. I woke up late and now I'm rushing to get ready for work. I'm thinking about stopping by the coffee shop on the way to grab a coffee and a pastry. I love their coffee. Have you ever tried it?
Shadowing can be done with a variety of different materials, including videos, audiobooks, and even podcasts. The key is to find something that interests you and practice regularly. I do have one tip. Try to find materials that also have a transcript. You can do shadowing without a transcript, but it becomes a bit more like active listening, which I talked about in this video here. With a transcript, you can match how a word is spelled with how it sounds. And that's all I have for today. I hope you found this video useful, and I hope you'll start using shadowing today to improve your English. Remember, the key is to practice regularly and to use a lot of different techniques to learn English, including shadowing. What's your favorite technique for learning English? Let me know in the comments below. Take care, and I'll see you again soon.